Right, James, in the last paper one I marked for you, you scored 45, so that's what we're looking to see an improvement on. Okay, so good to there. Here, 20 divided by 3, take away 25 pence is 5 notebooks. Well, 5 notebooks is wrong, it's 6. And I can't really see, I can see the method that you're trying to do, which is 20 divided by 3, but you haven't got any outcome. You haven't got an answer from that. So I can't give you a method mark because it's not clear what the method is that you're trying to develop. Good. So total for the page is 3, 8, 13, 16. That's good. That's good, that's good. No. Parallel to AD, there's a AD, so you're looking for the line that's running in the same way as that. And if I just roll my pen, you should see that BC is the one that's sloping the same way. So it's BC we're looking for there. And as far as measuring angles are concerned, have a look how I do that on my video clip and make sure that you can do that, because that's an easy mark you're throwing away there. That's right. The 2 diagonals are correct, but you haven't got symmetry vertically or horizontally. If you think there, if that was a line of symmetry, then that square would be repeated there. So the fact that you've got 2 mistakes means that you end up with no marks. That's correct. 44 centimeters squared is bang on the money as well. 6 for the page. Right, here you have got that wrong. Okay, so take a look at how I've done it on the video clip. But these you got right. 6 and 8 and 9A and 23. Well done. 9 for the page. Right, you need to get a method and learn it and practice it for non-calculated multiplication. On the video clip I show you 2 different ways. Pick one and stick with it and practice it. 48 divided by equals 6. Well, what I want to see in there is an 8, and that's 1/8, and you want 3/8, so you want to then do 3 lots of 6, which is 18. If that 8 had been there, then I'd be happy to give you a method mark, but I can't give you anything for what you've done there. That's right, well done. 61 is not a cube number. Watch how I explain that on the video clip, what a cube number is. 67 is a prime number, but so too is 61. It's not 2 times 3, and it's not 5 times 2. It's 2 times 2 times 2. It's 5 times 5. And it's 8 times 25. So your method is totally wrong there. Here again, just like you need to develop a non-calculator strategy for dealing with multiplication, you also need one for subtraction. Watch how I do that in the video clip, and that's something you need to practice. 2 for the page. That one's not right, that one is, that one is. If Peter's got 6 and if Peter's got X and Mary's got 6, together they've got X and 6, not 6 times as much. 9R and 3T is right, well done. That's right, and those are right, but that's wrong. You put circles around all the right ones, but then you've added them up to be 5 for some reason, whereas there are 9 possible outcomes there. Total for the page 5, 9. (62) is correct. But that should be 180. What we got there is a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So your method is wrong because your angle fact is wrong. And that's good. So you got 5 marks there, 10 for the page. You're not making clear there that the fact that it's not put on the graph in order, and that's what we're looking for there, is for you to explain that the graph needs, you can't tell off the graph which order they were put marked on the graph. Okay, so you've got no method for that, but what you've done is the first stage in the process. That's right, that's right. That's wrong with you. Okay, so again, watch my video clip to see how I've done that, because that's worth 2 of the 4 marks. So total for that page is 3. That's wrong. That's wrong because there should be another one there. That's wrong, and that's wrong. So watch how I explain that on the video clip. No, that's not right either. So you need to watch all of question 16 and make sure that you can get your head around it. C4 is right, but you've forgotten that whatever's outside the bracket has to be multiplied by every term that's inside. And again, that there, you've made a number of mistakes. It's not clear the way that you laid it out what you're doing. So you've got 3 times 5, 3 times minus 7, okay, but it's 3 times minus 7d, so that should be a d, and then you've got 4 times 2, so that should be 8d, and then that's that. But it's very muddled what you've done. And here, yes, that's right, but you need to deal with getting rid of the bracket as well. So again, it's worth you watching my solution for question 17 and making sure you can get your head around it, because you've got nothing on that last page. Anyhow, what did I say you had, James? You had 45. Well, I reckon you've beaten that. Let's see by how much. 16, 22, 28, 38, 37, 37, 39, 48, 58, 61. 61 is much, much better. I'm saying that's worth a grade D, alright? Some years that would be a C, some years it wouldn't, but I'm saying you're 4 marks off a safe grade C there. But huge improvement on last time, and so long as that improvement continues to grow, then you know, we can be really confident that you're going to get that C in the summer.